Discover It Secured and OpenSky both help people build credit, but they use different paths for moving from a secured card to other credit options. By the end, you'll know how secured cards work, what affects graduation decisions, and what to compare before choosing between OpenSky and Discover It Secured. A secured credit card requires a security deposit that usually acts as collateral for your credit limit. The goal is to build a positive payment history and improve your credit profile over time. Discover It Secured reviews accounts to determine whether cardholders can move to an unsecured Discover card. Graduation depends on factors such as payment history and account management. OpenSky also offers a secured credit card option designed for building credit. The process for moving to a different card product can depend on the company's policies and your account history. The biggest factor for graduation is how you use the card after approval. Paying on time, keeping balances manageable, and using the account responsibly can help show positive credit behavior. Your credit reports also matter. Secured cards are designed to help establish or improve credit history when account activity is reported to the credit bureaus. Before choosing between OpenSky and Discover It Secured, compare the features that matter most for your situation. Look at the deposit requirements, fees, reporting practices, rewards or benefits, and how each company handles account reviews. Discover It Secured may appeal to people who want a path toward a Discover unsecured card if they meet the requirements. OpenSky may appeal to people looking for a secured credit option with its own approval process. Neither card guarantees a specific graduation date. A person with a strong payment history may have a different experience from someone who misses payments or carries high balances. The best way to improve your chances is simple. Make every payment on time, monitor your credit reports, and avoid actions that can hurt your credit profile. The key points are that graduation depends on account management. Secured cards work by building credit history, and each issuer has its own review process. Your next step is to compare the current terms for OpenSky and Discover It Secured and choose the card that matches your credit building goals. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit cards, secured cards, and building credit.